Hey y'all, Nova Jade Beauty here. Today we're going to be making a DIY turmeric soap with this plain old bar of Dove. So of course we'll need turmeric, some black seed oil, some Lang Lang essential oil, some lemon essential oil, and some honey. You will also be needing a pre-oiled container. You can use silicone molds if you have them. Now first we're going to grate down our soap so that it's easier to melt. Turmeric is great to use when fighting acne and discoloration because it has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. So this soap is going to be great to use on both the face and the body to achieve clear, flawless skin. And guys, feel free to use any soap that you would like for this recipe. It will still have the same benefits. I suggest using an unscented one though, so that it doesn't counteract with the essential oils that we'll be using. Alright, finally done grating this soap. Now we're just going to put it on a double boiler to melt down. On medium heat and stirring occasionally, we're going to let this melt down before adding our other ingredients. Now that our soap is melted and is now moldable, we're going to add all of the rest of our ingredients. First, we're going to add a generous amount of honey. Honey fights acne-causing bacteria as well as lightening dark spots and moisturizing the skin. Now we're going to add equal parts black seed oil. Black seed oil helps to fight acne, it lightens acne scars, and it also heals the skin. Now for the turmeric. You want to be careful not to add too much because turmeric can definitely stain the skin. I added about half a teaspoon. Now a few drops of lemon essential oil. Lemon kills bacteria that causes breakouts, it unclogs the pores, and it lightens and brightens the skin. And Lang Lang. Lang Lang kills bacteria, it heals skin cells, and it helps with oily skin. Here's what we have after mixing a bit.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Be careful when adding your oils and honey to your soap mix because too much can result in a mushy soap. I have pre-oiled this container with black seed oil so that the soap does not stick. You can use whatever oil you would like, but I do not suggest coconut oil as it clogs the pores. Now I'm just spreading my soap throughout the container and doing a little swirl design. After you're complete, you just want to set it aside for a few hours to harden. There you go, your very own turmeric soap for your face and body to fight acne, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. You can use this soap twice a day, both morning and night, and very soon you will see a drastic decrease in your blemishes and dark spots. And you will reveal glowing, beautiful skin.